Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have my new Traxxas Hoss that I unboxed in the last video. If you haven't seen that, go back and check it out. It's the new shadow red color. But yeah, so today I'm just gonna test it out. I'm not gonna take it to like where I usually take my RC cars, just because I have different batteries coming for it. So I mean, I have a 3S battery that I can run in it. But yeah, I'm just gonna test it out like in front of my house and stuff, and just run it around there for a little bit. Maybe get a top speed run. We'll see. But yeah, I first need to solder on some XT90s. So we're gonna get to that, and then we'll go out and test drive it. So let's get to it. I just finished soldering, and now we can head out. So this is on 3S. Let me set you guys down so I can drive it properly. All right, let's drive it a little bit. Right away I could see I could do wheelies. Let's see. Yeah. Easy to do wheelies on. Boom, that. Held it perfectly. No problems doing wheelies. Driving nicely. Let's test the top speed. Got my little GPS here, and let's put it in and see what it is. Alright, well, this was dead, so I have to go back in and charge it and then we'll come back out when it's fully charged. Alright guys, the GPS is all charged up, ready to go. I'm gonna zero it out right now, and we're gonna see what I could do, what the top speed is right here on my street. So let's get to doing it. Alright guys, it is at 0 and we are ready to test the top speed here. Set you guys down like that, and let's send her off. That was one. I'm gonna do one more. Okay, check it out. 38 miles per hour. See a better shot here, maybe it's easier to see. I don't know. Let me 38 right there. Look at that. So 38 top speed. The battery isn't, you know, fully charged. Like I did do that a little bit before, but I mean that was it. So that's pretty much top speed, maybe 40 if it's right off the charger. But yeah, 38 miles per hour. I was gonna say 38 degrees, Jesus. 38 miles per hour. It says on the box, it says it can do 60, but I'm pretty sure that's with some optional gearing. But yeah, now I'm just gonna drive it around here a little bit, pop some wheelies like I did earlier, and also probably play in the dirt over there just a little bit. But yeah, 38 is the top speed. Definitely want it a little faster, so maybe we'll gear up in the future. But I don't want the motor getting too hot, so we just have to find that sweet spot of how much to gear it up. So yeah, let's get to just driving it around a little more. Ooh, nice little wheelie there. Oh, I still have the GPS on. Man, this thing can do wheelies like nothing. Boom, easy wheelie machine, and you can hold them too. They're easy to hold. And they're easy to do. Let me take off the GPS real quick. This thing is already really messed up. For you guys, remember the Sentin video where I flipped the Sentin really bad? It got all stretched up after I was trying to speed test it, and it just parachuted. Decided it wanted to be an airplane instead of a truck. Man, this thing can do wheelies like nothing. Whoa. Okay, just want to show you one more wheelie. Oh, nope, not into the camera. Boom, one more, and let's go play in the dirt. All right, dirt action. I know this is kind of uneventful, but I don't really have time right now to take it to the track. So, but I promise in the next video, it will be at the track. We'll be doing some actual bashing, not just right here in this, my front, is it a lawn? Can you even call it a lawn? My front dirt patch. Whoa. Let's do some donuts. Oh gosh, I'm gonna be putting friggin' rock chips in my car in the paint. Woo. Little jump there. Whoa. Oh, hit the bench. Gosh, I had one job to avoid the bench, and I friggin' hit it. This thing's a cool little truck, man. Might become one of my favorites. I mean, all my RCs are my favorite, but I mean, I have some that I like more than others. I have a least favorite, and I think you guys know which one that is if you guys seen my review of it. But whoa, woo! But yeah, this might become one of my. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Might become one of my favorites. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be the end. Ooh, the motor is a little warm. That's kind of worrying because I didn't run it that hard. Oh, I was doing speed runs, I guess, and then I just kept running it right after. Maybe I should probably get a fan for this. I probably will get a fan. Goes on top here because it is a little warm, but that is okay. It's probably because I was doing the speed runs. But I mean, guys, this truck's, even the little bit of testing I've showed you and a little of driving, I really like it. It is a different, you know, it's a lot torquier than some of my other cars, so I'm gonna have to get used to that because it just pops wheelies as soon as you hit the throttle. So just have to get used to that. But I mean, other than that, just have to get used to it. Which is, I mean, it's not a fault on them. It's just, you know, I have to get used to how powerful it is. It's my first time with the Valenion system, so just got to get used to the power because it is preposterous power, even just on 3S. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't get more runtime, but I promise you, next video will be just straight bashing with this truck. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.